Let's go get our helmets and go
It's
ahead.
my first time here. First thing I did, take off by myself down to the cave.
Yeah.
And I went running in the cave, in the entrance. I was just on high. And out come a bat, just right over my head. Scared the shit out of me. Well, the old barn was right up here. Come on.
Glenn, is that where the old barn used to be?
I asked you. Yes, I think it was. Let's go up and take a look.
Boy, it doesn't, it's changed.
I'll say.
I remember we pelling out of the roof of the old barn.
Out of the haymow window.
Haymow window, yeah, that's where we used to get a 300-foot or 600-foot rope and run
Run it through.
climbing once or twice a week. So we'd be waiting for those tag caves. I remember Blenz used to camp out there every weekend. He had a back corner that he made, I guess, enclosed with heat. Boy,
Oh, my
it
daughter.
looks a lot better now than it ever did.
The last time I had dinner with my daughter's father-in-law.
Yeah, son-in-law.
No, her father-in-law.
Oh, okay,
That's her husband's dad.
okay.
We were sitting around the table, and somehow he knew I was a caver, I guess, or maybe she told him. He goes, "So, were you ever in Buckners Cave?" And I just looked at him. Oh, hell yes, a lot.
Everybody used to do
He said they would go in there and take drugs and get all high and everything. This was a long time ago. And I said, yeah, I helped rescue a lot of you people out of there.
I remember
One or two, maybe.
my first caving club meeting. After the meeting, they said, "Anybody want to go to Buckners Cave?" I don't know if it was the IU.
You mean the
Monk
Bloomington
Club
Grotto?
meeting or the Bloomington Grotto.
Yeah.
But one of those two meetings, I was the first. I said, "Yeah." So they loaned me a helmet and carbide lamp, and after the meeting, we went out there, and that was my first cave.
A carbide lamp.
Yes.
What's that? I got one. Do you want me to get it out?
I don't think we can even buy carbide now. It's just great that Blenz willed it to the NSS and that the Conservancy is maintaining it. I mean, it just looks so good. I can't wait to get in the cave. We had kegs of beer. The Canadian cavers used to come down for the Canadian Thanksgiving for like 2-3 years. And we'd have a keg of beer and tapped out over there and had a good old time.
You even remember where the beer was, huh?
And when Don Paquette got married to Paula Porter, we had his bachelor party right over there.
I wasn't there.
I have pictures of that one.
What's that a map of up there?
That's a map of Buckners Cave.
Really?
Let's go look at it before we go in.
Yeah, we may get lost.
Richard Blenz Nature Conservancy.
Bullseye Pit. What the hell's that? Where's the entrance?
Bullseye Pit might be. The entrance is up here. And then that's the long crawlway, entrance crawl to the tea room. And for some reason, we always went around this way. I remember digging with Dick Blenz, maybe in this passage. I have pictures. Dick and Kevin Komiselk and I was digging the low crawlway out.
Where's what they call the waterfall passage? Isn't it?
It's right here's the waterfall passage.
Well, where's the signature room?
The tea room is noted for the signatures.
Okay, then If you go down here, it's kind of wet, and this will lead you to a pretty good sized room, won't it?
Yeah, the volcano room.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
I've been there a couple times, but I don't know what the hell they called it. Volcano Passage. Huh.
That still brings back memories.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I remember that, first time at my first cave.